In this video, we will be checking out the AOHI Magcube 65W GaN charger. It is a compact, fast and efficient charger that was recently released. They recently came out with this 65W GaN charger that is compactly designed for maximum convenience and efficiency. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one AOHI USB-C fast charging cable which can be used together with the charger to charge up USB-C devices. Next out is the AOHI Magcube 65W fast charger, packed nicely in a dedicated slot in the packaging. A user guide is included to guide users on the product usage. All packed neatly and professionally in the product packing. On first impressions, the AOHI Magcube 65W GaN charger looks really small and compact. The size of this charger is amazingly compact. Usually 65W chargers would be bigger and bulkier due to the charging capabilities it has to fast charge devices quickly. This turns out to be much smaller than regular chargers. On first hand, the charger feels to be of good quality, sturdy and solid in material. It has a stylish and prestige design to it, with a diamond carved vein design. The surface looks stunning and attractive to me as a user. Good design. It comes with a USB-C fast charger as you saw earlier as we unboxed the product. This USB-C cable isn't your regular USB-C cable. It has a digital display which we will show you later when we use it. It comes with a cable tie for users to tie it up neatly when stored. The wiring is made of a rope texture, which feels really durable and long-lasting. Good quality. Let's get it plugged in to try it out. There is a LED indicating light at the top of the charger. The indicating light does have a meaning to it. Right now, it is in green, meaning it is trickle charging like when nothing I plugged in. When it is plugged in, it will reflect yellow for fast charging and blue for regular standard charging. Cool, right? Simply just plug in your cable and charge your device up. That's simple to use. Now my device is fast charging, as you see on screen. With the AOHI 65W GaN fast charger, I can now charge my smartphones and devices in fast charging if they support it. A really more convenient and fast way to recharge my tech devices. When charging, it has a real-time power digital display on the charging head, which monitors the charging speed directly. As you see, my device is fast charging in 5 watts, it can go up to 100 watts fast charging or use it for high-speed data transfers. The cable is built for performance. It can fully charge a notebook like a Mac in 1.5 hours based on the manufacturer's test, which is a relatively high speed as compared to some charger without any fast charging technology. The size contrast we can infer to is that it is the size of a correction tape, a stationery. It is around the same size as it, for comparison purposes only. Overall, I find the AOHI Magcube GaN charger a GaN fast charger that is an ergonomically designed device that helps enhances user convenience and efficiency. It is small and powerful. The quality is good and as advertised. I can charge up with majority of my home's gadgets that support USB-C fast charging. If you want to find out more about this product, check it out with the link in description. Thank you for watching.